To apply a satin to an object you already have selected, hold down the Shift key and I on your keyboard and it will turn it into a satin. Adding angles to that satin is as simple as holding down the Control button and hitting H on your keyboard. You can also use your keyboard to assign other stitch types to an object or objects. If you want to apply a tatami fill, hold down Shift M. To draw an open shape, the shortcut is Shift N. And you can always hit Enter on your keyboard to be done drawing. To access Redraw, hold down Shift and hit R on your keyboard. You can always use that escape button to get out of something. Shift G will toggle your grid on and off. To toggle between your rulers being on and off, Control R. To toggle your sequence stalker, you hold down Shift L. Control A allows you to select all the objects. Control left click allows you to select multiple objects. Tab allows you to jump to the next object. And Shift Tab allows you to go to the previous object. M is to bring up the measuring tool or the ruler, so think of M for measurement. Hitting D will dim your artwork, so D toggles your image on and off. Hitting T on your keyboard will take off the true view, so it'll take off the 3D rendering. Clicking the T will bring that back. While you have the 3D rendering turned off, if you hit the period on your keyboard, you'll toggle between showing the needle points on and off. Also, while you're in this view, if you hit the letter L on your keyboard, it will take off the shapes. So this will toggle the shapes on and off. Zooming into an object that you have selected is super simple. All you have to do is hold down the Shift key and hit 0. Hitting the letter S on your keyboard toggles these stitches on and off. So you go from seeing stitches, whether it be with the 3D rendering off, or with the 3D rendering on, no matter what, if you hit the letter S on your keyboard, it'll toggle between stitches on and off. Duplicating an object is as simple as Control D. Think D for duplicate. General shortcuts can also be used like Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control Z to undo, and Control Y to redo.